Thinking about booking that flight to Seoul just because an online consultation gave you a perfect plan and price? If so, you are walking into a trap that 99% fallen patients fall into. You might land in Korea only to find out the price just jumped by like 2000 USD, or even worse, that the surgery you wanted is actually impossible for your face. An online consultation is not a medical diagnosis. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the consultant the right way, and why in-person visit is only thing that guarantees your safety and result. To be honest, I used to think that getting a quotation from the comfort of your sofa was the smartest, most efficient way to plan a transformation. But after seeing countless the cases, I realized that one shocking truth. The goal of online consultation should not be finalize your surgery. It should be pre-filtering process to see if the clinic's style matches yours and to get a low budget. If you ignore this and trust a chat message more than physical exam, you are risking your time, money, and health. Now let's break down the 3 critical reasons why online consultation can never be 100% accurate. Here is detail most people miss. The price you get online is just a rough guideline. For example, if you ask about eye surgery, most clinics will give you a wide range, like 1000 USD to 3000 USD. Why? Because they cannot tell if this is the primary surgery or complex revision just by looking at the photo. They cannot see the internal tissue damage or scarring. And even though they might ask your detailed medical history, past surgeries, the medications that you're taking, all of which are crucial piece of puzzle, it still does not provide the full pictures. Without touching the area, a doctor cannot know the exact condition of your muscles or skin laxity or skin elasticity. Now you might think, but I sent high definition photos and all my medical records. Why don't they know? The truth is a surgeon needs to feel the texture of your skin and see how much it stretches with their own hands to determine the actual surgical technique. Do not make the mistake of bring exact amount of cash based only on WhatsApp message. And here is most important part. In many cases, the person recommending procedures and giving your quotation online is not even the surgeon. I've seen many times it is sales consultant, even one of the step just using Google Translator. While they are helpful, they are not medical doctors. They cannot replace the professional judgment that only your surgeon can provide during face-to-face consultation. This is where most people fail. Just because you look like a good candidate. The second limitation is that accurate diagnosis is impossible. For eye surgery, a doctor must see the strength of your eyelid muscle and elasticity of your skin in person. For rhinoplasty, they need to feel the thickness of your nasal bone and check if your septum is deviate inside. So a 2D photo simply cannot show these 3D variables. Use the online consultation to check the vibe of clinic. But remember, your actual surgery plan only begins the moment you sit down in front of surgeon in Seoul. A surgery that was marked as possible online might be rejected once you arrive at the clinic. A responsible surgeon who cares about your safety will tell you no. If your tissue isn't ready online, it is hard to catch these red flags. So starting today, don't get too much emotionally attached to an online diagnosis. Instead, pick 2 or 3 clinics you like and focus on booking in-person consultation for your first few days in Korea or before you come to Korea. And if that sounds like overwhelming, don't worry about it. That is exactly what we do. We help you navigate this complex process, filter through the noise to find reliable clinic and coordinate you in-person consultation. We make sure your journey to Korea is efficient and safe, so you don't waste a single minute. Let's recap. Use online consultations for 3 things only. 1. Rough budgeting. 2. Checking the clinic's communication style. 3. Sharing your basic medical history. The success of your surgery is decided during the in-person consultation, not from online consultation. I know it takes a lot of courage to fly across the world for surgery. What has been your biggest frustration with online consultation so far? Let me know in the comment. Your experience could really help someone else planning their trip. If this video helped you, please subscribe and hit the like button. For more professional guidelines or a customized plan for your trip to Korea, we are here to help you every step of the way. Stay safe and stay beautiful. Bye.